just one thing I wanted to talk about real quick is this 120 palette. It probably, because I was using it for the, well, 3 years maybe, 3.5 years maybe, that my son was going to school. And then well, 3 years. And then the last year, he took some home classes, and then for the first semester, and then the second semester of his last year, he did all home classes. So I really didn't use it, and dang, it's taking forever to get through this. I just really want to get through this, um, but I just wanted to show you. Um, so it is used a lot. All that's left is a couple of greens, purples, blues. I'll be finished with those browns by the end of the month. I've been using a lot of fall colors, warm colors. Um, and that's why you see the mess with the orange. It just goes everywhere. It's very powdery. But see, I have some lime greens left. Um, and then my aqua, which I wear for my birthday month. And then some blues. It's like periwinkles and blues. But like this is almost done. This would have been done January or by May of last year, if my son didn't take all his home classes. But I just wanted to mention that this is a mess right now. But I finished almost. Yeah, finished. I'll be done with the oranges and the browns by the end of this month. And I've got a few purples left, a few greens, some blues, teal, a couple of, but I mean hardly anything. I've hit pan on almost all the colors. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 of them I haven't hit pan yet. And the reason why the lime green, I'm not really crazy about lime green, so I don't reach for them. I only wear them maybe in August because I like to go by the birthstone. But yeah, I'm like dying to get through that. Um, Other than that, I just hope you guys have a very safe and a very happy Thanksgiving. And just try to think about what you're thankful for, instead of thinking about the stuff you're the stuff that hurts you or makes you angry. Just for Thanksgiving, try to think about what, instead of what you don't have or what's bad, try to think about what you do have and what's good. So yeah, just wanted to do something quick. Um, I got to wake up my son in a little bit. He has his telemed appointment. And then I have to go pick up my package, get some stuff for Thanksgiving, and that's about it. Anyway, okay, love you all. Mwah.